Knights are back again.
Spiky Bits.
Welcome back, Hobby Maniacs. I'm Baer from SpikyBits.com, and we have another fantastic painted miniatures showcase for you today. Knights are back. It's 2019. We got the big FAQ 3, and I'm sure we're going to see a lot of non-Castellans on the tabletop here going forward. We got a commission from Table Flip Studios, which Jonathan used to work for another studio we did some features for in the past, so I knew he could paint. And he's like, hey man, let me paint something for you. I was like, all right, that sounds like a good idea. So he painted up one of my knights. I think this is an Acheron. Yes, this is an Acheron. It's a gorgeous knight in and of itself from Forge World. And just the fact that he's got it to come get some posing, I love what he did with this right here. Now, that being said, I think after this video, Jonathan may have to raise his prices because what he was charging for this is a little on the cheap side. So normally this is the part of the review where I show you a fantastic website or some sort of way to contact the artist. Unfortunately, Jonathan is just starting out, so all he has is a Facebook page, so you can hit him up at Table Flip Studios over on Facebook. I'll put the link below. Doesn't have a fancy it doesn't have a fancy website quite yet, but that's okay. He's got some pictures up on his site with what he can do, and let me tell you what, he can do plenty. So here is the Knight Acheron. Now this is painted up in my Legio Astorum colors. I told him the colors. I said, hey, just go wild, just use these base colors. I actually gave him the base. I provided him with the painted base, which now that I got the model back, I'm actually not happy with the base I painted for my own model. So I think I should have gone with the brown base, but that's besides the point. It's there. We're not going to take it off. It is what it is right there. But me personally, I'm kind of like, I need to paint it brown. Regardless, he did a great job on all of this. So he put it together. Painted it up in the colors I specified, gave it the posing I specified, and I think he did a great job. Now, just looking back at it, maybe I wouldn't do that quite yellow, but that was my call. And again, I'm looking back and I'm judgmental about my call and not the paint job itself. So I'm kind of beating myself up over a couple of things, but the rest of it, I think for the money. He charges about $150 to paint a knight to this level, obviously using a lot of airbrush fading, but also a little bit of brushwork because he had to go in there and do the trim. I told him about the Sharpie trick. If you don't know about the Sharpie trick, metallic Sharpies, holy cow, you'd save a ton of time doing this sort of project right here and still be able to edge with a little bit of gold or perhaps silver marker and hit those highlights. But that being said, I'm sure in the future he may look at actually doing that. But I mean, it's a very, very well, it's blended and detailed out miniature. Now, is it incredibly detailed? No, it's not. But for the money, I'm very, very happy with this. And I feel like that if you commission him to do a very similar project, you would also be happy and maybe kicking yourself because you told him to do some stuff that, once you get it back, you're like, maybe my judgment was a little off, and that's on me. But I am definitely aware of that. So I think he did a great job for the price. I do not think he can be beat. If he doesn't raise his price, he might not have enough time to take any commissions from you. I've been joking with that. I was like, bro, you're going to have to raise your prices. You're kind of what. But that being said, hit him up, Table Flip Studios over on the Facebooks. I really, really love this knight, and I can't say enough good things about it. He even went in there and did some blacking out the wires and different things in there in the crotchal joints and things like that. So yep, definitely a-okay with this. I think it's very, very well done. I'm sure as he grows in his studio, he will come up with different pricing points for different things. But for right now, really can't beat this. So make sure you hit him up over there at Table Flip Studios. So thank you very much for watching this. Probably short video, but there wasn't that much other stuff to talk about. And we couldn't show you a website, but that's okay. So thank you very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be the very first to like and comment on all our videos.